Hi guys! To see how I clean my makeup brushes every day and a deep cleaning, keep watching! So for an everyday cleaning with my brushes, I use the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Makeup Brush Cleaner. This smells so good, and all I do is take a tissue or a paper towel and I spray the brush and just wipe it off on the paper towel and put it away. So that's a quick everyday cleaning. And sometimes I use 91% alcohol in a little spray container because all of my brushes are synthetic, so this is not going to dry them out. I have all of these brushes to wash and I'm just soaking them in water. And I just bought some more brushes, and I always wash my brushes before I use them. So I'm also going to wash these. So I use this to scrub the brushes on, and I use Dawn antibacterial dish soap and just pour it right on there. Then I just take the wet brushes and scrub it on there. Now I just rinse them all in the clean water, and I rinse the brushes to make sure all the soap is out. Then I just squeeze out the water and I put the brushes into my stand, and I take it off of this part because it's much easier to do. So usually I don't wait until I have this many brushes to clean, but just laying them on the top will work fine. So I will link all of these products below in the description box and the brushes that I use. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Bye!